Rich, smooth, and full of flavor, Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee is a refreshing, energizing beverage great for any time of day. Like our other coffee products, guests can customize iced coffee with flavors, syrups, or a turbo shot. Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee is made with the same high-quality ingredients used to brew delicious hot coffee. However, iced coffee isn't just hot coffee poured over ice. It's a special recipe that uses twice the amount of ground coffee to achieve consistent flavor and freshness. Like our other coffee products, guests can customize iced coffee with flavor shots, flavor swirls, or a turbo shot. Iced coffee is available to guests in 3 different sizes: large, 32 ounces, medium, 24 ounces, and small, 16 ounces. The steps for assembling iced coffee depend on what the guest orders, but the first 2 steps are always the same. Select and mark the cup. There are 3 cup sizes available to your guests: small, medium, and large. Add ice to the cup using the approved ice scoop. Always add ice first to ensure the later ingredients mix properly. Fill the cup 2/3 full with ice, up to the Dunkin' Donuts logo, for most iced coffee orders. For turbo shot iced coffee, fill the cup with ice to the rim so the beverage stays cold after the turbo shot is added. After you add ice, add the other ingredients as follows, depending on the guest's order. Add swirl syrup if requested. Whenever you add swirl syrup, remember to stir the beverage after you add the iced coffee. Add flavor if requested. Add sugar or sweetener if requested. Add dairy if requested. Dispense the iced coffee. Fill cup to the fill line. Place a lid on the cup and gently shake side to side. Serve the assembled iced coffee to your guest. Now that you know the order of ingredients for iced coffee, you can see how it's done.